Hey there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to turn on two-factor authentication on Instagram. So to do that, let's show you the steps you can follow. So the first one is access your profile. Tap your profile picture in the bottom right corner of your Instagram app and tap the menu icon on the three horizontal lines on the top right corner, and then just go to or tap account center and then tap password and security. Once you are there, just choose authentication app and follow on the screen instructions on the link your account. And here you can just select two-factor authentication and select the Instagram account you want to protect. So from there, just tap or choose authentication app and follow on the screen instructions to link your account to the app like Google Authenticator and choose text messages and enter your phone number. Follow the prompts to enter the confirmation code you receive from your chosen method, and once enabled, 2FA or two-factor authentication will require an additional code from your chosen method in addition to your password when you log in. So yeah, this is a way you can just turn on your two-factor authentication on your Instagram. If you face any sort of problem, just comment down below and we will just solve it out. If this video will help you out, and we'll see you in the next video.